Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the play Timon of Athens by William Shakespeare. Timon of Athens is a play written by William Shakespeare and Thomas Middleton and published in the first folio in 1623. The sources of this play are William Pater's Palace of Pleasure and Plutarch's Lives. The play is set in Athens. The main quotes from the play are like madness is the glory of this life. Man must learn now with pity to dispense, for policy sits above conscience. My heart is ever at your service. So these are the main characters. Timon, he is a noble and wealthy man of Athens, spends his wealth in giving gifts to people and becomes bankrupt. Goes to live in the woods when he has lost his everything. Ventidius is Timon's false friend who doesn't help Timon when he is under debt, but Timon had helped him to come out of debtor's prison. Epimentus is a philosopher who wants Timon for his generosity. Alcibiades is an Athenian captain, shares Timon's hatred for Athenian people, raises an army to destroy Athens. Flavius is Timon's loyal servant, unhappy to see his master's downfall, only person whom Timon finds honest, Timon gives gold to him. So now I'm going to tell you the story. So Timon is a rich and wealthy man of Athens. He loves to enjoy the company of people and gives them a lot of gifts. He is popular in the city of Athens for his generosity and he welcomes everyone to his house. So when the play opens, we see that he is visited by a poet who wants to sell his poems, a painter who wants to sell his paintings, and a jeweler who wants to sell his jewelry. Timon buys their poems, paintings, and jewelry and gives them a lot of money in return. He even pays the debt of his friend Ventidius, who is locked in the debtor's prison. He pays for the marriage of his servant, who he wants to marry above his social status. So Timon does all of these acts of goodness. Okay. But he ignores his friend Epimentus and his servant Flavius, warning that he should be careful about his funds. Okay, so what happens next? He throws another party in which he invites General Alcibiades, who gets really impressed to see Timon's hospitality. Okay, Timon soon realizes that he has lost his entire wealth and he has now become bankrupt. Okay, and now creditors are after him to take their money. Okay, now Timon sends his servants to those people whom he had helped when they needed his help, but all of them make excuses and don't give money to help Timon. Now Timon realizes his mistake and is heartbroken and blames people of Athens who have robbed him of everything. Now Timon invites them again at his house for the feast and offers them stones and water. He criticizes them as well. Okay. So what happens next? Now Timon has lost his everything, so he comes to the woods to live there, and where he starts losing his mind. Okay. One day when he is digging the ground to find out the roots to eat, he finds gold buried there under the ground, and when Alcibiades comes to know about Timon's fate, he comes to meet him in the forest. And now what happens? We get to know that Alcibiades has also now turned against the senator of Athens, who has banished him because he wanted the senator to release his servant who is guilty of a murder. Now Timon shares Alcibiades' hatred against the people of Athens. Okay, and Timon gives Alcibiades a lot of his gold so that he can attack on Athens. Okay, so in the next episode we see that Flavius, who is Timon's servant, he finds his master in the woods and appreciates him a lot. Timon gives gold to him as well after witnessing his devotion towards him. Okay, and then we get to know that other people also come there out of greed to get some gold from Timon. Okay, but they are driven away from there. Okay, now we get to know that Flavius tries to convince Timon to come back to Athens, but he rejects this proposal. Next, we get to know that Timon dies and Alcibiades is ready to spare people, but not to spare those people who have cheated Timon. Okay, and he pays homage to Timon, and the play ends there.